In this lesson, we're going to look at how to find the percentage of a number. And this is a two-step process. The first process is that you take the percentage number and you convert it to decimal form. And you do this by dividing that percentage by 100. You then take that number, which is now in decimal form, and you multiply that by the number that you are trying to find the percentage of. So I'll do a few examples here and we'll put it all together. So the first example says, what is 24% of 168? So I'm going to take the 24 and I'm going to divide that by 100, and that will give me 0.24. I then take that 0.24 and I multiply that by 168, and I will get a result of 40.32. So 40.32 is 24% of 168. Looking at another example, what is 15% of 180? So I'm going to take my 15%, I'm going to divide that by 100, which will put that in decimal form. I then take that decimal form of my percentage and multiply that by the number that I'm trying to find the percentage of. 15% of 180, when I do that multiplication out on my calculator, will give me 27. There is a shortcut to convert a percentage to a decimal. If we take the number 15%, we know that there's a decimal point currently behind the 5. When we divide by 100, that is the same as moving that decimal point 2 positions to the left. And there we have the 0.15. One final example in this video, we want to look at what is 14% of 178. We're then going to round that to the nearest whole number. So I'm going to take my 14% and I'm going to divide it by 100 to put it into decimal form. And that will yield 0.14. I then am going to take that 0.14, multiply that by 178, and that will give me a result of 24.92. Because I want to round to the nearest whole number, that means that I'm going to be rounding to that digit right there, the ones position. So I'm going to look at the digit to the right of it. That is a 9, which is higher than a 5. Therefore, this is going to round up to a 25. And if you're looking for a video that will help you with a rounding, you can click on the screen here, and that will take you to my video that I did on rounding.